So we still at the coffee shop. We just had to change cameras. So, but
Good tea here.
it's a great tea. What's the name of that one again?
I think Lipton tea with orange and something I don't know.
You said Lipton tea and what orange and looks like dates into it. Or something.
Yeah.
And this one was a yogurt drink with like a raspberry inside of it.
Raspberry.
Really good. Needless to say, I done washed all that one out. And this was some green tea. They give us all green tea almost everywhere you go. It's a custom. So hopefully, I mean, maybe sometimes you guys got something y'all want to see in particular. Maybe you can put something in the comments, and you know, we can go check it out. Phan Thiet is where most of everything's going to take place at in my life. I'll eventually I'll go and show you guys some other places in the countryside and different stuff. But it's I don't even know what to say at this time. But, you know, really looking forward to spending time with you guys and visiting with you guys, and maybe we'll get an opportunity to meet some of you guys. And y'all are pretty famous. We really like to get an opportunity to interview some of you and ask you, you know, about your life here and how it's going for you. Really want to do that. So if one of you guys spot the video or a video and you comment onto it, maybe I can get back with you. So y'all can find me on Facebook under Glen in the U.S. So this has been my guide today because he can speak English, and he works in all the tourist communities. You know, in Monet and different stuff like that. So when you are you going back to work in the tourism industry?
Yeah, soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
So as a side note, he'll take people around like he's doing me today and bring you to different wherever you want to go at. You want to eat. You want to see different things, certain things, good street food you want to learn about. And if you'll, can you give your phone number and your name?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, give your phone number and your name.
Oh, I can say if you go to overseas or in Vietnamese phone, it's plus 84 909 203 0 and 75.
And your name is?
My name is Phi.
Phi. Okay, and on Facebook he's Jack Phi.
Jack Phi, yeah.
Yes. And so, but if you give him a call, he, you know, ahead of time, let him know ahead of time. Maybe he can make arrangements, and he can bring you guys around Phan Thiet. I got him, you know, helping me today because I don't know squat. I don't know nothing about how to speak the language, and I can't even ride around on the motorcycle yet, not legally. Still working on that. So, any advice, anything, just getting started, y'all let me know. And I'm gonna try to put his phone number, you know, in the little section there for you, and maybe. If you guys come around and you want somebody to give you a little tour of Phan Thiet, we have a lot more beautiful sections. I haven't been, you know, I haven't been in the tourist area with you that much. This is everywhere we've been today is with the locals, so to speak, you know. And so maybe, you know, we get an opportunity, we can show you some more really beautiful resorts. We'll get a chance to find out some prices and different stuff, and hopefully, you know, hopefully it'll be stuff that you can use, some kind of content that you can use. So we'll be back with you again. Like, follow, comment, let us know. And I'm gonna make sure his phone number is down on there so that you guys can get a chance to give him a call if you're coming in this area. This is probably a little cheaper to be a tourist in than what it is in Saigon or way up north. So
Yeah, sure.
call him and give him a shot. And talk with you guys later. See you on the next one.